Hello everyone, I'm Dora Lee from Taiwan. I was the chairperson in 2013 to 14. Of course, it's gonna be a little confused to see so many past RWG spaces all at once. I get that. But we're just people that love APRO, and in a day like this, I think you'll see it's you and our youth adding up together to make this so beautiful. And it's also very romantic to say we never left. We were in your emails, your archives. If you want to find us, just go do that. Yeah, so that is just enjoy and be proud in this moment. Dear APRO, happy 20th anniversary.
Hi, I'm Jang from Thailand. Thank you, Regional Working Group, IPPS Organizing Committee, and all participants for putting your efforts into IPSF to give a chance to pharmacy students to make great memories and lifetime friendships like we did. So we also used to have our IPPS in Bandung back in 2006. So you guys gonna have great fun. And let's celebrate 20th anniversary of Asia Pacific Regional Office. Okay, have fun!
Hi, I'm Lady Grace, Regional Project Officer of IPSF APRO 2017-2018. This region gives me a lot of new experiences, bunch of memories, and the most important things, a lot of new friends worldwide. So today I would like to say happy 20th anniversary for IPSF APRO. Stay active and be more impactful. Bye!
Happy 20th anniversary, APRO. My name is Melissa. I'm the APRO chair for the year 2009 to 2011. I hope everyone is having a great time at the 18th APPS at Bandung. Take this opportunity to meet new friends as well as learn the different various cultures and pharmacy practice of different APRO countries. I hope that you can bring the IPSF spirit back home and share it with the rest of your pharmacy colleagues. Viva la pharmacy!
To IPSF to APRO, Viva la pharmacy! To IPSF to APRO, Viva la pharmacy! Viva, viva la, viva la more! Viva la, viva la, viva la more! Viva la, viva la, viva la more! Viva la pharmacy! Hello guys, this is APRO from Indonesia, the past regional working group 2013-2014. I wish APRO a happy 20th anniversary and more years of success, good luck and joy.
Hi everybody, welcome to Bandung and welcome to APPS. My name's Peter and I attended the same event from 2014 to 2016. Honestly, those were the best years of my life and I made some great friendships and memories that I'll never forget. The only advice I have to all of you is just be relaxed, meet as many people as you can, just say hi and be as active as you can. Attend everything that you want to and yeah, you'll learn a lot and you'll have a great experience. Anyway, good luck. That's good luck from me. I hope you form the same amazing memories as I do. And oh yeah, I'm at the Great Wall of China. Check it out. Good luck.
Happy 20th anniversary IPSF APRO. This day indeed calls for a great celebration. Congratulations for all your accomplishments. I believe I will see more great things coming from the IPSF APRO family.
Hello. Few years back when I was still a pharmacy student like you, here is how I try to stay relevant in this field. I read, I listen. Most importantly, I try to surround myself with people of all ages and background. And here, I make a lot of friends in IPSF, APRO and APPS. Work hard with them and work harder together. Nice to see everyone here in APPS 2019 Bandung. Hi, my name is Mayan. I'm from Malaysia. Thank you for having me and happy anniversary to IPSF APRO.
Hello, this is the IPSF APRO Regional Working Group 2018-19.
And here we are in Bandung for the 18th APPS 2019.
Since it is founded in 1999, this is the 20th anniversary for IPSF APRO.
APRO has already grown up to 55,000 members from 26 associations and 17 countries.
APRO
promote public health as leading advocacy pharmacy organization.
To achieve health for all, to develop our professional skills for the people in need.
IPSF APRO is working hard. Thanks for your support and please keep an eye on us. 1, 2, 3.